What is your cause? Please enlighten our audience. What do you want?
Just shake your web.
Yeah, it is. Are they always spraying us for psychosis?
I guess to show us what we're about to go through. Oh, he tases his thigh.
No, he was not tasing his thigh.
This. I keep PG, Jeff. So he didn't say kill the snitch.
Non-PG.
Yeah, for DJ stream though, you know what I'm
Yeah.
Listen, his boing yoings. Okay.
saying? It's more like canceled autopsy. Yep.
Oh God.
Oh, we've never done this. Yep. Okay.
No, we never done this.
Alrighty. Okay.
Oh God, I'm scared, bro. I'm recording again.
Why is he out here shocking people's butt cheeks? That's insane.
It's a freak, dog.
Cuz freak nasty.
So we gotta cancel the autopsy of the snitch?
I don't know. It just says cancel the autopsy. We didn't get no instructions. He said figure it out, bitch niggas.
Where'd we go?
I don't know, but I'm scared because I ain't did this before. Oh, it's a button right here.
Okay. You had to
Look,
click
just
some shit, huh?
What did that just do?
It-
I'm scared. What is going on?
We should grab that.
See, we had to click it.
Take both of these. Thank you.
Wow, you gonna take both of these? You're crazy. We can't get none of that. That's insane.
Oh, we need keys.
Hold on.
So we need. Okay, I see what they are.
Yeah. Battery.
We're staying together, right?
Hold on.
This could come in handy.
Ooh, I'm him.
They dress as my friends! You missed your chance. Fudge.
Yeah, is this you?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
Someone shanked
Oh
me.
shit!
Look.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Where?
It's a Power 101 E1.
E1?
Yeah, he was going this way.
Yeah, there's a pasta around here.
There's a lady walking around trying to whack niggas, Joe. Watch out.
Okay.
Adrenaline right here.
There's some medicine over here.
Someone grab that adrenaline.
Where these keys at?
We should grab that.
You gotta look.
I know, but I ain't seen nothing. There's a door.
Probably
Right
gotta go deeper in.
There's a door right here. There's a rig right here. I'm gonna open this joint. I need this. I ain't gonna lie.
Big boy.
They got a syringe. You want this? Here, Margo.
Ooh,
This
close
could
there.
come in handy.
Big boy's here. Big boy's here.
He's here still?
Oh shit! I didn't see him.
Take this syringe.
Oh,
Where's he at?
He literally walked past us somehow. I don't know.
oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Get back here!
He has a PP. He has a PP.
What?
Oh, not me!
Singing.
Weave!
PP showing.
Fuck that. Ain't fair.
Move! You ain't gonna catch me. No!
Come on, Mr. Bean. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Yeah, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Fudge, Mo. Bro, these freaks are everywhere, bro. Can you disarm these joints? These sickos.
Big boy
bro.
coming this.
Shit, where?
He's in here with us. I hear his speak.
It's a battery right here.
He's right here.
I'm scared to go anywhere. Who died? Who was that? What's that death noise? Oh, you pinged him.
Yeah.
I didn't know you can ping them. I would have been pinged him.
He's coming that way, bro. He's coming that way.
I'm good, nigga. I'm in the dark. You can't see me.
Oh yeah, you're right. You are in the dark.
There's no way.
Yeah, look at his pee-pee. Look at his pee-pee.
Tear him asunder! Yay! You don't need it! No! I'm stupid! But guess what? You still ain't catch me! Hey! Tore him asunder. Tore him a...
I think it's best to crawl around. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I tore a ligament out the
I think
socket.
best to just crouch.
I'm trying! No! I'm stupid!
Can't go up here. Okay. Dez, come back to drink with me.
Oh, got this.
Oh my
I
god.
got a battery. I got a battery.
It's a large battery though.
I'm coming.
I'm done. I quit. I can't keep doing this.
Nigga, you the one who wanted to play this. You gonna stick this out.
I'm trying, Marco. I'm trying. He keeps
What's that, Diz?
finding me.
Do we need? What keys do we need?
Oh,
not this one.
I
Fire,
like a star.
Fire, Iron Star.
Fire, Iron Star.
Yeah, you can hold tab and see it. Or tap. We have 4 out of 5 posters already. I don't want to bash through that yet, although I'm scared.
But I feel like that's the way we got. Oh.
Bro, these
I'm scared right
freaks!
here.
These freaks
Yes,
keep
yeah,
finding me!
Alright, come on, bro.
Alright, come on.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, is there's something over there?
I think so. I'm getting wet. You know what? Give me it.
What's wrong with you? He's angry.
Who?
You gotta be kidding me! Look out! She won't leave me alone.
I found heart. Do we need heart?
I don't know.
Tap, Marco.
I can't. He's on me.
Who?
Oh my
Somebody.
god.
Something.
Oh my gosh,
Oh.
it's so hectic.
The bitch got me. God,
No, we don't need her. We don't
I
need
did.
her. No.
TikTok, I already put it as age appropriate. I already put the age joint. Why you keep yelling at me about that?
Somebody help me. There's a clue near me.
I'm trying. Bro, it's someone in the little thing over
I think I
here.
dodged the bitch.
It's an antidote right there. I might need this antidote.
Leave, bitch. Leave. Oh my god. Leave, ho!
Oh, I found a little secret part, I guess. That connects the sectors.
Why can't you see in the dark?
It'd be like that.
Oh, I found the clue.
Can somebody help me, please?
How, Marco?
It's got anger issues.
She got any issues. I got a key.
Oh my god. She got night vision.
Oh, that's what she probably do. Actually got night vision.
Yeah, she probably got the goggles on. No, I don't know what you want us to do to help you. You found all posters.
I'm distracted, ho. Or come get the key near me. There's like a body near me. I'm trying to find out what it is.
There's something near me too.
I'm coming.
Damn, the hoe don't leave me alone.
I'm trying, Marco. She was on me earlier.
She wants some yeah, yo. She wants some yeah.
Hey, Marco, PC
Hey.
principal.
I said yeah. Get away.
He said no.
That's what it be.
Huh?
Big nigga. It's a big nigga. It's a small boy.
Yeah, it's a lot of them around here. I ain't gonna lie.
They're on need.
Is someone on Marco? Is someone on you? I just don't know what to do.
Please God. Please God. Please God. Please God.
I'm so good.
Fuck. Fuck.
Shorty
fuck,
just
I'm
walked
done.
past me, Marco, so you should be good.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh yeah, I'm alright.
Marco,
I'm
right
good.
there.
Huh?
Y'all good?
I'm chilling now. I'm not chilling. Someone's near me.
Fuck. Fuck. Come this way, Marco. Come this way.
Do we need crown? No, we don't need crown.
Come this way, Marco. Come this way.
I am coming. Hello.
It's stuff over here, bro, but like, they're deep as shit. I'm not gonna lie.
What are you? I whacked they mama.
There's a reason one's happy.
Hello?
No, this way. This way.
Oh shoot.
Fudge!
Yeah, battery.
Fudge! Fudge!
You need to what, Mom?
Battery.
Yeah, we get lucky.
I have a battery. I'm tweaking.
Back. Go. He's big nigga. Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Don't go that way?
Oh, take one. It's fake you. Never mind. It's fake you. It's white boy DJ.
Huh?
Literally.
Okay. I'm right here. We all together.
Anyone got a lockpick?
No, that way. Don't go away. This way.
Don't. There's a question mark over there, though.
That's it. Yeah, you're right. Marco, come over here. I block it.
We gotta go together.
Coming.
I'm coming over there, Marco. I have a block it.
Oh, you over there. Coming. It's in
I'm
the
over
bathroom. Over here. Keep.
Yeah.
It's like medicine. What the fuck is that? Oh, you got it. Okay.
What was that you just grabbed?
Medicine. And there's an antidote right there. Alright, so where we going?
There's a question mark back this way.
Okay.
It might be the last key. I think we got. I got one of them. I got the
What
star
key?
one. I got star.
Okay.
So we need two then.
I thought Dason got one earlier.
I get a key. I got.
Nah,
I just picked up a battery.
See
Niggas
the
been
question mark?
wrecking.
You see the question mark?
Yeah.
You gotta go to that.
Problem is, big dudes over here.
Who want this?
Yes, we're trying to get the joint right now.
Why you
Same,
jumping?
bro.
Why you jumping?
It's an accident. I be weaving. Look at my brick in my hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to whack a nigga with that joint. What is it?
The eye. It's right here. Get it.
I'll get it. Unless you got it already.
It's nasty.
Alright. Can we go up the stairs?
Yeah, we're going upstairs
This
right
could
now.
come in handy.
There's another question mark over there.
Alright, come on. Come with me.
It's like, you see it that way?
Yeah, I'm coming.
How we get past this part? Oh, we gotta co-op and bash this joint. Come on.
They're on us now.
It's a battery.
I just picked up a syringe.
Someone's here. Oh,
God
fuck.
dang. Oh my god, he's huge!
What's that what we need?
I don't know, we need one more though. I think the fire.
Dog.
Yeah, this nigga is angry.
What are you telling? I don't know
I think
if
we
he can-
glitched him.
Yeah, I don't think we can get through the door. Oh, he's going after Dez. I see the other question.
Yeah, go get it.
Come on. We gotta go to the question mark. No, he's right there. He's at the door. He's at the door still.
I see it on the question mark. Hold on.
Can you get it, Dez? He's at on
I'm
us.
gonna try to get this one over here.
This one behind us, DJ.
We can try to get that one. Come on. We're gonna go back there. We're gonna go find a jump.
Fuck, you're going what?
Back. We gotta go get the other one.
Oh, y'all leave me. I see.
Where you at, Marco?
No, that's cool. I can leave me.
Nigga with psychosis is like right here.
Fuck, I have to bash this?
Come on, dude, let's go.
I'm trying.
Yeah. If I bash this, I'm done for.
Hold on,
I
Dez.
thought
Wait
you-
for us to get this thing.
Yeah.
Where we going, DJ?
I don't know. You see the question mark right there, though. We might.
Yeah. Oh, hey there.
Yeah, no, I'm far from y'all
Yes.
niggas.
That ain't fucking
Dang,
dead.
it's
This
not
is
dead.
this.
I tried to throw a brick at him.
Hello? That Dez or not?
I'm crouched in the corner, so
That's
no.
not him. He's not.
Okay.
Him. It's not, that was not him.
Noted. Where the fuck the question mark go?
Guys, hey, y'all
Over
come
here.
back this way.
We trying.
We trying.
I need y'all to come back,
Psychosis.
distract the big nigga so I can bust through this door.
Yes, we like on psychosis right now.
I understand that. I need you to distract the big nigga
Oh, he's
so I
gone.
can bust through this door.
We can't right now, Dez. Hold on.
I need you to.
Dez, we got something right now, man.
It's a question mark right here,
We
man.
got a
We're literally
question mark
on a
right
question
here.
mark,
We're on a
Dez.
question
You
mark.
have to wait.
Like literally, because you might not even need to do that if this is the right
It's a
one.
diamond. It's not the right one.
It's fudge. All right, we gotta go to Dez. We heading over there. We coming around right now, Dez. Actually, I think we got the question mark you looking for.
No, there's one over here. Way over here.
We found it, Dez. It's not it.
Oh, you found it? You got it?
We found it. We found it.
Thank God, because, bro, I'm in the corner, scared for my life, and tweaking.
We got both of them. We got all three. We gone.
Alright, wait for me.
There's two batteries over here. So if y'all need one, come get it.
I
I
found
have
the
a light
antidote.
battery, I'm chilling.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Oh shit, he's blocking the door.
Where? Oh.
I might have to run past him.
I'm about to get the fattest ban for another week or for permanent after this. Dang, Mark, you didn't wait for me?
I didn't know you was behind me.
Yeah,
I thought you left with Dez.
No, I didn't go for you yet.
Okay, I'm coming back. I'm coming for you.
You trying to get back to where we was at though, right?
Oh, I know how to get back if y'all need to.
We got all the keys.
Yeah, we already keys.
Then let's go back. We don't know.
You're right.
Fuck,
Come on.
Nick.
Let's go to Dez. We gotta find Dez.
I'm right behind you. My nigga's a perky. Shit. Come on. There's another battery right here if y'all need it.
Niggas be awful fiend.
Oh shit. Shh. Another big nigga.
Who jumping?
Me. Oh shit. Another big nigga right there. Come on.
There's a lot of big dudes here.
We go this way, right?
Let's wait, DJ. Oh, we're waiting for DJ. We gotta wait for DJ.
Right here. Right here. I ain't
Alright,
going
come
nowhere,
on.
baby. Nice.
We're doing pretty good actually.
Yeah, we actually doing pretty decent. Any other time we'd be finished.
Alright, let's shut the fuck up before we get jinxed.
You right.
Alright, follow me. Just follow. We'll go a long way. See me.
I keep thinking y'all grunts are like enemies. TikTok, I already sat there and flagged it. I flagged it as age restricted. Like, I don't know what else you want from me, baby. I'm sorry. I feel like the moment I do this dang live, it's gonna say, yo, TikTok, the privilege has been gone. I pray to God, Lord, Heavenly Father, please do not let that happen. Because this gonna be so
Said
BS.
something right here. Hold to lift. We can open this, but I don't know why.
Oh, we can? Let's go that way.
Yeah, this is the way we came from. Okay.
I wish we had some better
let's go.
instructions.
The instructions unclear. I died.
Huh?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. She can see, she can see, she can see.
That should just follow me. Yeah, okay.
We're close, I think.
You were right here.
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
I am?
Antidote. It's this way, right here. Wait, this ain't. What the fuck? What is this?
Dez, you fucked me. Dez, you fucked me. Think
Fuck,
again.
oh shit!
Oh!
Leave me alone.
It's over here.
It's
But
goofy, Goober.
it's this way somewhere. Sweet.
Run, run, run. She's cracking y'all right now.
Put the keys in. Put the keys in.
I'm trying, I'm trying.
Oh, I just got gas. Wow. I'm getting jumped and I got gas.
Goodness gracious. There's so
I
many
just
of
gotta
them.
see.
I'll find you.
I gotta survive this.
All of them here! He's here too! Fun! Fun! Do you not want to live?
I only got
Huh?
it right.
No! You gotta be kidding!
Come to me. We out of here.
Yeah, come on. Come to me, Come to me,
I'm
Come on, come on. Just run for it.
I can't. I don't even. I can't! I have no energy!
Just run for it this way.
I'm trying. I'm trying
I made
so
it.
hard.
Nigga, I made it.
That's crazy, bro. You went in?
Hell yeah. The big nigga was on me. He literally tried to swing at me.
I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm so screwed.
Come this way, Jay.
I'm
Right
here.
here.
Alright, I'm following you. I got no
I got-
energy.
Yeah, hold your rig. Hold your rig. Hold your rig just in case. I said hold it, not use it. What is wrong with y'all?
Oh my god! I'm
Come on,
screwed.
Jay.
I can't run!
Please don't sell me. We
Like,
just so
I've
good.
not been like running. I can't run, Mo. Like, it's so
I'm healing
stupid,
you.
bro.
I'm healing you. I'm healing you. I'm healing you.
Fudge, bro.
Oh, y'all went in. I'm sitting here.
Yeah. We in,
I came
bro.
all out and shit. I'm like, fuck.
Fudge, bro. I could not run. That joint was blowing me.
We got A.
We got an A! Ah, we got an A! We got an A! We did that joint!
2 minutes.
22 minutes! Real big talk! 22 minutes! Hey, GG, y'all. We did
I